Hey there, welcome to Homely Feast by Dolly. Hope you all are doing good and making the best out of life. Today, I was in a mood to have something that tickles my taste buds, yet healthy. Can you guess what's cooking today? Yes, it's fish. But I'm bored with the usual fish fry and fish curry. Let's try something new today. So I'll be cooking fish tandoori. Under the running water, I am rinsing it thoroughly for 2 to 3 times and then making slits. The star ingredient is the fish. I have taken one black pomfret, also known as paplet or halwa fish. Process of marination, the ingredients that I used are as follows. I've added 2 spoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, little bit of black pepper powder. Here goes the roasted jeera powder, tandoori masala powder, little bit of garam masala, dried kasturi methi leaves, now I am squeezing in half a lemon. That I have forgotten to add 2 spoons of corn flour at this point, so please note it. I'm using 1 spoon of cooking oil to bind in the spices. You can also use curd. Mix it well for the flavors of the spices to bind in. Apply a generous layer, coating the fish. Now it's time to toss it in the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes. I've taken a non-stick pan, adding 1 spoon of cooking oil. Once the oil heats up, throwing in 3 to 4 garlic cloves and some curry leaves. Here goes the marinated fish to fry. Close the lid and let it cook. Time to toss the fish around. The aroma in the kitchen validates that the dish is turning out delicious. To get the tandoori flavor, I'm placing the fried fish on the naked flame for less than a minute to get the smoky flavor. Time to plate it. Let me tell you, this would be every fish lover's delight. This fish tandoori fry is definitely love at first bite. You enjoyed watching this video as much I did cooking it? If yes, please like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel and support this newbie.